afternoon, everybody. Friends, today we are going to study practical number second, study of Rixia. Points are classification, occurrence, external structure of Rixia thallus, internal structure of Rixia thallus, and reproductive structure of Rixia. Now, first, classification. The plant Rixia is classified into division Bryophyta, class Hepatiaceae, order Marchantiales, family Rixiaceae, and genus Rixia. Now, reason in Bryophyta, plant body is thalloid or differ into root, stem, and leaf-like structure. Gametophytic phase is dominant. Vascular tissues, that is xylem and phloem, are absent. Now, class Hepatiaceae. In Hepatiaceae, the plant body is thalloid or differ into root, stem, and leaf-like structure. Internally, thallus is heterogeneous. Rhizoids and scales are present. Sporophyte is simple or differ. It contains capsule only or differ into root, fruit seta, and capsule. Order Marchantiales, family Rixiaceae, and genus Rixia. This is about the systematic position of Rixia. Now, external morphology of thallus. The plant body of Rixia is thalloid. The thallus is small, flat, green, roseate, dichotomously branched with dorsiventral symmetry. The thallus branches are called lobes. The lobes are thick in the middle and thin toward the margin. Each lobe having the apical notch. Apical notch contains the growing point. The upper surface of thallus shows the dorsal groove or dark median furrow. From the ventral surface of thallus develop the rhizoids and scale. Now, rhizoids. The rhizoids develop from the ventral surface of thallus. The rhizoids are unicellular and unbranched. They are of two types, smooth wall rhizoids and tuberculated rhizoids. Their function is fixation and absorption. Now, scales. The scales also develop from ventral surface of thallus. They are arranged in two alternative rows. The scales are thin, violet. They retain moisture below the thallus. You are watching the image of Rixia thallus. Now, internal morphology, RTS of Rixia thallus. A transverse section of Rixia thallus reveals two different regions, such as photosynthetic region and storage region. Now, photosynthetic region, the photosynthetic region present above the storage region. It is made up of a vertical rows of green cells. In between the green cells, air chambers are present. The opening of each air chamber is called air pore. The cell contains chlorophyll pigment and performs the function of photosynthesis. Therefore, name is given as photosynthetic region. The terminal cell of vertical rows is large and colorless. It forms the discontinuous upper epidermis. Now, storage region. Storage region present below the photosynthetic region. It is made up of thin-walled parenchyma cells. The cells are compactly arranged. The function of storage region is storage of food and water. So, name is given as storage region. The lowermost layer of storage region from the lower epidermis. From the lower epidermis arise the rhizoids and scales. This is about the transverse section of Rixia thallus. Now, reproduction. Rixia reproduces by vegetative and sexual methods. In Rixia, vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation, tubers, adventitious branches, etc. Now, sexual reproduction. In Rixia, sexual reproduction is oogamous. The male sex organs are called antheridia and female organ is archegonia. Most of the species of Rixia are monoecious. The antheridia and archegonia develops in dorsal surface of thallus. Now, structure of antheridia. In Rixia, antheridium develops in antheridial chamber. The opening of enthedial chamber is called ostiole. Enthedium is pear-shaped. It has a short and multicellular stalk. Enthedial wall is made up of a single sterile cell layer. Enthedium contains a mass of androcytes. At maturity, each androcyte gives a single biflagellate sperm. Now, archegonium. In Rixia, archegonium develops in archegonial chamber. Its opening is called ostiole. Archegonium is flask-shaped. It contains two parts such as venter and neck. The venter is the basal and bulbous part of archegonium. Venter contains lower larger egg and upper smaller venter canal cell. The neck is long, elongated and tubular. It is made up of 6 vertical rows of neck cell. In section, only 2 neck cell layers are visible. Neck contains 4 neck canal cells. Neck is covered by 4 cover cells. This is about the structure of sex organ of Rixia. After the fertilization, zygote is formed, zygote divide, redivide and form the sporophyte. Now, these are sporophyte of Rixia. In Rixia, sporophyte is simple, in which food seta are absent, only spherical capsule is present. Capsule has the single cellular capsule wall. It contains large number of haploid spores. In Rixia, spores are arranged in 4 numbers so called spore tetrads. This is about the practical number second, that is study of Rixia. If there are any question, you can ask me.